Good morning, this is Sharif or Just Nailed It. Sorry for the wobbling. Today is SheModern Saturday. I'm going to get a jump start on the Valentine season. We're going to be doing some hearts and some love, and they are in hollow. So I'm going to slide that off. On my nails, I have trying out a new base coat. I'm running super low on my First in Line by Sinful, and Walgreens is no longer restocking. Whatever they have on their shelf, that is it. They are no longer going to be selling Sinful colors. So, whatever you can find, ladies, you better grab now. They say Target's ain't got a selection at all. It's really crappy. Big Lots isn't any better from the one here in Michigan that I went to the other day in Southeastern, the city I live in. But, yeah. They say you can buy them on the website for Walgreens, but I didn't have a good experience there either as far as finding availability. It says in there not in stores, not available online, sold out, so... And Sinful, since the day I discovered them, which, it's pretty much when they started, it's been my go-to polish. Anyways, back to my mani. Big Primer Base Coat, 44242 by Sally's. On that, I have a Sinful Step 1, Sinful Shine, 1618, Come Hither. I think this color is really cute. I know it's winter, but Valentine season is fast approaching here. February 14th will be here before we know it. On my nails, I'm going to put the hollows. It is pattern. It's called Love, and the S is in parentheses, which means solid. For these, you are going to need water-based top coat. I've got this by Born Pretty. That's who makes the one I'm currently using. I've got a little water bottle here by SheModern. They sent me long ago with with their pigments where it used to come. I'm gonna put my stuff flipped on me. Put some water down on those. Only takes 10-15 seconds for it to separate. Check out SheModern.com. She just came out with just a new line of, I call them two-tones. They're two different colors. You get to pick your two colors. Line of water decals, foil water decals. So check them out, SheModern.com. And let's see, what else can I tell you? Oh, I'm having a SheModern giveaway. I will draw October 31st, so look for that video. I posted it on, I think it was Thursday. Let me see, today's Saturday. I posted it Thursday the 9th. So look for that video and check it out. Enter. I'm picking 3 international, 5 US. So yeah, look for that video and enter me. You must be subscribed. Your subscriptions must be public. Let's see what else. You must be 18 years of age. Do not sub to unsub. That is really not cool. I mean, I've not had that experience here on YouTube, but I'm sure that there are those people who do. No giveaway accounts either, please. That's not cool either. If you're just out there strictly for the giveaways, please move on. My giveaways are for my faithful followers, the women and people who support me, who are there for me. So yeah. Anyways, we're gonna get back to this. Have you a tissue because you're gonna need to pat the water out of these. So yeah. Move things around over off to the side. I am going to put the word love on first. Whoops. If I can get it to stay still. I'm gonna slightly, whoops, change the direction I have it on the tweezers, because I want to put it kind of diagonally. There we go. I'm going to get my tissue and pat the water out. Press down on it. There we go. I think that is really cute. As you can tell, I love SheModern products since I have a little series going every Saturday for SheModern. My SheModern Saturday. And this one we will call Valentine Edition. Gotta check out my hearts here and see. With the hollow hearts, I have a hard time seeing where the tops of them are. Whoops. There we go. Slide that off to the side. And here are our hearts. Take your tissue, blot dry. There we go. Super easy. Can you see the hollow, ladies? I think it's really cute. I'm going to get my Born Pretty water-based top coat. Seal these babies in. On SheModern.com, you have, I think it's like 17 different colors to pick from with the decals. Cap the end of your nails. There's the hollow, which I think is probably very popular. She just came out with, oh Lord, probably at least 10 to 12 new decals. Plus her other full line. Whoops. She's got a lot of pigments. The glow in the dark, the sparkling iridescent, shimmers, ombre powders. Not sure if she's still selling the stencils or not. That's something I'm going to have to check out. Well, here we go. I need to top coat my other nails. I'm going to use my Pro FX. Found that at Walmart. I think it was like $6 maybe for the whole entire bottle. And it's well worth it. Cap the end of your nails. This mani I'm going to be wearing for a couple of days. Normally I don't cap the edge of my nails. Most of the time I only end up wearing them a couple hours. But this one I'm going to be able to wear for a few days. Sorry, wasn't in frame I don't think. Wipe your brush off good to one side. Go down the center of your nail, ladies. When it's done each side, back down the center. Have you a good bead on the end of it, but not sloppy. You don't want your stuff sloppy. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you liked this. Leave me a comment down below, please, and let me know what you think. I think that turned out really nice. The hearts. Whoops. And the word love. I was hoping I had some of the French curves in hollow, but I didn't, or I don't. All I have is red. And I'm not trying to put pink and red nail polish, or pink nail polish, red French curves, and hollow stickers. I'm not sure that would look too good. Might be a little bit too much. Food for thought for next time. Figure that one out, but I'm gonna have to order those. I just placed a big order with SheModern, so that should be coming in the next, hopefully week and a half. I'll do a unboxing, so to speak, on that. So yeah, here we are. We are at the end. I hope you have a good weekend, a good Saturday. And I'm going to be signing off now from Cherie for Just Nailed It. SheModern Saturday. Have a blessed day. Thank you.